Hi everyone, my name is Grace and I'm here to show my roommates the new Galaxy AI features on the S24 series. Now, I'm already loving all the new features, but they haven't explored everything on their new phones yet, and they're a bit new to all this mobile AI stuff. And that's okay, because the best thing about these features is that anyone can use them to create, connect, and get more done. Just like that. Okay, let's go. Hey Juan, do you remember that dog lamp that you were trying to find for your room?
Yeah?
I think I got it.
How?
It's called Circle to Search.
It lets you search anything you see on your screen just by circling it. So we open up the video with the lamp you like. Long press the home button. Circle what you want to search, and there you go. Search results.
Whoa, that was easy. I've been looking for this for weeks.
Hey, it's Ava.
And it looks like she has more locations for our Mexico trip.
Boss, good day. Have you heard of this place?
No idea.
Well, then let's use Circle to Search to find this too. You long press the home button, then scribble or drag to highlight your text. And there it is.
So cool. By the way, are you two learning any Spanish for this trip, or am I translating everything?
Relax, we're taking Galaxy AI with us. Galaxy AI can translate face-to-face conversations in 13 different languages with a feature called Interpreter.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Show me.
To open Interpreter, swipe down on the quick panel and tap the Interpreter button. Then tap here to flip the top half of the screen. We'll set our languages to Spanish and English. When you're ready to talk, just tap the microphone button.
Hi Juan, did you clean your room today?
Hola, ¿limpiaste tu habitación hoy?
Mi habitación probablemente está más limpia que la tuya.
My room is probably cleaner than yours.
Okay, I truly doubt that.
I can't believe how accurate this is.
And Galaxy AI works on calls too.
You mean Galaxy AI can translate while you're on a call? Like real time?
Yeah, it's called Live Translate.
I've got to see this in action. Can you make a reservation at that restaurant we wanted to check out on our trip?
No problem. Start by pressing the call button. Then, tap the 3 dots and select Settings. Choose Live Translate and tap to switch it on. Then, set your languages. So, English for us, and Spanish for the restaurant. And we're all set.
Wait, what if the restaurant isn't using an S24?
Oh, that's fine. Live Translate works even when the other person isn't using a Galaxy phone. Now watch and be amazed.
Hola, restaurante La Península Perdida, dígame.
Hello, the Lost Peninsula Restaurant.
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation on April 1st at 7 p.m.
Hola, me gustaría hacer una reserva para 3 el 1 de abril a las 7 de la noche.
What name am I going to put this under?
My name is Grace.
Okay, see you soon.
Thank you. Impressed?
Mind blown.
There is one more communication feature I want to show you, and it's going to make your texting so much easier. It's called Chat Assist.
Café.
Just like Live Translate, Chat Assist can translate your messages on the spot in 13 different languages.
Wait, you mean if I text you in Spanish, you can read it in English?
Exactly. But first, let's get our settings right.
Open up a message. Select Settings and tap Writing Assist. Then select Chat Translation and switch it on. Tap the Galaxy AI icon. Then tap Chat Translation to pick your languages. Choose theirs. Choose yours. And start chatting.
Okay, let me try this. I gotta text you something.
Hey, Ava. Hey.
Coffee?
Yeah. Did you guys get the travel vlogs I sent?
Too long. Didn't read. Sorry.
Yeah, they were a bit long, but actually, there's a way to make those posts a lot easier to digest with Galaxy AI's Browsing Assist. Open Samsung Internet, tap the Galaxy AI icon and tap Summarize. And you can translate it too. Tap Translate and pick your language. Also, with Transcript Assist, you can change your voice recordings into text. Open Voice Recordings and tap the one you want to make notes from. Select Transcribe. Pick your language. And it turns the whole thing into text. Then you can summarize it, organize it, or translate it. And once it's translated, you can copy the whole thing by tapping here.
This is gonna save me a ton of time. Can I organize regular notes too?
For sure, you can organize and summarize all your notes with Note Assist.
Okay, how about this one? I've been making notes for our trip, but they're such a mess.
Definitely.
After you open a note, tap the Galaxy AI button.
Now select Summarize, and just like that, it turns long and messy into short and sweet. Okay, I've got one more for you. This one is gonna make our travel pics so much better. It's called Photo Assist. Come on.
Do you remember that jumping shot we took last summer? We tried it a million times, but you could never get the timing right.
Are you still talking about that?
Yes. Okay, just open it up and I'll show you how Photo Assist can fix it. Photo Assist lets you resize and move around objects and people within a photo to get the shot that you want.
Go to your picture and tap the pencil icon. Now tap the Galaxy AI icon. To select an object or person, you just outline them or long press them. Long press yourself, and you can move yourself anywhere. When you're done, just tap Generate. And Galaxy AI will fill in the background. Then save a copy.
Okay, that was cool. But can we use Photo Assist to fix up my profile picture? I love the shot, but the reflections totally ruin it.
Yeah, totally. We can fix that.
Let's see what edit suggestions comes up with. Open your photo, then tap here to see the suggestions. See how it gives you suggestions on how to retouch your shot?
Erase reflections. That's what I need.
Yeah, tap it, see what happens.
Whoa, it got rid of them just like that.
Yeah, that's Galaxy AI.
Okay, are these features available on other Galaxy devices? My sister would love these.
Absolutely. Galaxy AI is now also available on the S23 series, Tab S9, S9 Plus, S9 Ultra, Z Flip 5, and Z Fold 5.
Can you say all that again in one breath?
Just look at the photo, Juan.
Galaxy AI is here.